Every day is a new and good day, even with all the challenges. But today is an extraordinary day in that it is joyous and hopeful.
Leadership is not about watching and correcting. Lord, let us remember it is about listening and connecting. Leadership is not about telling people what to do. Lord, let us find out what people want. Leadership is less about the love of power and more about the power of love. Let our greatest passion be compassion, our greatest strength love, our greatest victory the reward of peace. In leading, let us never fail to follow. In loving, let us never fail. Amen.
What I would like to do is to acknowledge all Year 11s. It is time for you all to step up and to be the college leaders.
May God bless you as you take on these roles of leadership, and may God, who sits with us and from whom we can draw wisdom, be your strength and guide. Lots of love and lots of peace to all of you.
And then there were two. Let's have a drum roll. Our Deputy Head Prefect, Sophie Moll. And then there was one on Year.